Item number 19. Digital Vyaktik Management.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to move for leave to introduce a bill to provide for the processing of digital personal data in a manner that recognizes both the right of individuals to protect their personal data and the need to process such personal data for lawful purposes and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Thank you, Honorable Chairperson, sir.
श्री असदुद्दीन ओवैसी जी, देखिए अभी कितना अच्छा लग रहा था, हाउस ठीक से चल रहा था।
4 points.
प्लीज बैठ जाइए।
Right to privacy violation. And secondly, the RT amendment violates freedom of speech and religion. And RTI is part of freedom of religion under Article 19. Thirdly, sir, it empowers the government to access people's private data, and this is likely to create a surveillance state. Fourthly, it is anti-women because only 1 in 3 women have ever used internet.
आपको अवसर दिया जाएगा, नहीं तो सुनिए ना।
Because in the bill it says
Please.
data protection board will be digital in design to take complaints, sir. So on these 4 points, I oppose introduction and I want a division, sir. Please allow me division. Yes, it is my right, sir. I want a division. I'm telling you on record.
अभी बात हो जाने दीजिए।
No, I want a division on this introduction bill, sir.
श्री गौरव गोगोई जी,
ये इस बिल को आप स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में भेजिए। इट इज अ बिल विच impinges on the fundamental right as per the Puttaswamy judgment on the right to privacy. It should be sent to the
श्री
standing
सौगत राय
committee,
जी,
Sir, under Rule 72(1), I beg to oppose the introduction of the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023. This is a cumbersome bill and very different from the original bill which was sent to the standing committee.
श्री मनीष
For
तिवारी
reasons
जी,
of his own, the chairman of the standing committee and the
मनीष
minister,
तिवारी जी,
they have changed the bill altogether. And now they have included one data
turn will
protection.
come. Please wait for that. जी, एक सेकंड।
Sir, 1 minute,
दीजिए
सुनिए.
बात।
I want this bill to be again sent to the standing committee.
Okay.
For a
No, Manish
total.
Tiwari.
Mr. Chairperson, sir, under Rule 72(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of the Lok Sabha, I hereby rise to oppose the introduction of the bill. I oppose it on 3 counts. First of all, a bill which was considered by the Joint Parliamentary Committee, came back to the House, was withdrawn by the government, reintroduced, cannot be introduced as a finance bill. Number 2, it's a bill which requires serious reconsideration by a Joint Parliamentary Committee for the simple reason that it is in complete contradiction to the fundamental right of privacy upheld by the Supreme Court in the Puttaswamy judgment. Number 3, this bill cleaves the entire digital universe into 2 parts. The bill will apply with full force to all non-governmental organizations, and the entire government universe is going to be exempt from it. So therefore, the fundamental right to privacy laid down by the Supreme Court in Puttaswamy stands assaulted by the provisions of this bill, and therefore this
Okay, please.
Sir, under Rule 272, I stand here to oppose the bill on 2 small points. I will not repeat any. First is excessive centralization of all the data. Everything will be controlled. It's a complete insult and hurting the spirit of the federal. We have to this is the federal structure of Government of India. Point number 1. Second, even right to information is diluted. Right, Manish ji said, Government of India will be completely protected, others will be completely exposed. Third, there is a penalty cost which from 500 crores is brought down to 250. What is the meaning? Even a small NGO tomorrow challenges is 250 and a big industrial home, which is ridiculous. And there is no compensation. There is penalty, but what about a victim? There is no clarity of compensation. And right to privacy. Tomorrow it's completely evaded, sir. So anybody can have our data. There is no privacy. So I request the minister to kindly reconsider.
Right. Shri N.K. Premchandran ji.
Please. Sir, I strongly oppose the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023. Sir, 23. The point is, sir, what?
Please.
Sir,
No.
Sir,
you carry on.
Sir, may
Please.
make a submission regarding yesterday also this matter was raised in the House regarding Rule 72(2). not only the legislative competence, any matter can be opposed. 72 clause 1 is the general clause, and proviso is saying that to have a full-fledged debate in the House, legislative competence is to be there. But as far as opposing any ground, I can oppose the bill. So number one ground is the basic human fundamental rights is being taken away. That is being accepted as the fundamental right in 9-bench constitution bench of the Supreme Court in respect of this Puttaswamy case. So it is totally violating the basic fundamental human rights of the citizens of the country. And number two, sir, day before yesterday, the IT Standing Committee, that is Standing Committee on Communications and Information Technology, has submitted a parliamentary committee report, Standing Committee report, on the floor of this House. That is, so many recommendations are there. Without looking into the recommendation of the Standing Committee, coming with a new bill, it is not fair and proper on the part of the minister in introducing the bill. So I strongly urge that those recommendations may be taken up so as to respect the parliamentary committee. With these objections, I oppose the bill.
Sir, I rise to vehemently oppose the bill under Rule 72 of Business of Procedure Conduct, Business of Procedure Conduct of Business. Sir, the issue is that through this bill, the government is going to trample upon the Right to Information Act and right to privacy. So we are vehemently opposing this kind of sinister motive being displayed by this government. The bill, by amending the Right to Information Act, wants to introduce an era of corruption because new personal data like assets and liabilities, education qualification of corrupt government functionaries cannot be asked for under RTI. Second issue, the bill does not provide for compensation to individual whose personal data has been compromised or who has suffered loss due to theft of personal data. Third, the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 violates the fundamental rights of privacy as laid down in the Puttaswamy case, as other esteemed members are also referred, since the present bill does not restrict the government to use and process personal data. Therefore, I will suggest the government that they should send this bill for further deliberation, for wide discussion among all sections of the population. That is why right now the time is not opportune for introduction of this bill. Better you should send the bill to the Standing Committee, Joint Committee or any other forum for having a threadbare discussion in regard to this
Dr. Shashi Tharoor ji.
bill.
Sir, thank you very much. As the former chairman of the Standing Committee, Sir, as the former chairman of the Standing Committee, let me say that this is a matter that we have repeatedly requested the minister to take the committee into confidence. It is a matter of disappointment that, to the best of my knowledge, the committee has not been asked to study this bill, which, as has been pointed out, has been repeatedly modified by the government and is brought in its third iteration to this House in this condition. Given the vast number of objections you have heard, Mr. Chairman, I would urge that the bill be sent to the Standing Committee for proper examination as a new bill, because for the three different versions do not match and they have been done without consultation with the committee whose mandate it is.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Honorable Minister, कुछ कहेंगे क्या? Do you want to say something? Yes.
Honorable Chairperson, sir.
Please, बैठिए. बैठिए. No. You didn't give any notice. बैठिए ना. Please बैठिए. स्वागत आने बात कह दी.
सर, लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस के बारे में किसी भी मान्यवर सदस्य ने प्रश्न नहीं उठाया है. जो प्रश्न उठाया है कि क्या ये फाइनेंस बिल है, क्या ये मनी बिल है या जनरल बिल है, मैं एकदम स्पष्ट तरीके से, मान्यवर मनीष तिवारी जी ने कहा था अभी, मैं स्पष्ट तरीके से सदन के सामने आपके समक्ष रखना चाहूंगा कि ये एक जनरल बिल है, ये मनी बिल नहीं है. इसके ऊपर पूरा डिटेल में डिस्कशन होगा. इसके ऊपर जो भी पॉइंट अभी मान्यवर सदस्यों ने रखा है, चाहे पुट्टुस्वामी जजमेंट से संबंधित हो, चाहे कॉम्पेंसेशन से संबंधित हो, चाहे गवर्नमेंट जो आरोप लगाया गया है कि
अपनी बात रख दी है, आपने अपनी बात रख दी है. नो, प्लीज सिट डाउन. आपने अपना विषय रख दिया है. नाउ लेट द हाउस डिसाइड. लेट द हाउस डिसाइड. प्लीज सिट डाउन.
मान्यवर चेयरपर्सन सर, हर एक विषय पे डिटेल में डिबेट करने के लिए सरकार तैयार है. मैं आपसे अनुरोध करूंगा इसको इंट्रोड्यूस करने की परमिशन.
प्रश्न है कि विधेयक को प्रस्तावित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए. जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य इसके विरोध में वो ना कहें. मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ. माननीय मंत्री जी विधेयक को प्रस्तावित करें.
बिल.
ओके. Item number 20.